sometimes when we work on the large scenes, when we try to orbit into specific object, it's just become off-centered. For this example, the top of the lantern, I want to focus on it, but when I try to orbit it, it's just off-centered. So what we can do is just to hit the dot key in our keyboard, in the numpad keyboard, and it got centered in the viewport. For another example, let's try this rock here, and we hit the dot key in our numpad, and it got centered in our display or viewport. So if you don't have the numpad in your keyboard, what you can do is just select the object first and then go to the view, frame selected. Let's try it again, and a view, frame selected, and it got centered. Okay, hope this helps, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thanks.